Instagram, we back. You know what's going on. OVO update 2021 takeover in full effect. As you guys know, we got the Instagram account back. Still gotta get used to posting those photos again. I have an unboxing full of the women's collection for the girls, or maybe the guys who want to check out the women's stuff as well. But I got unboxing for that, and we got the Santa owl. But let's get into what we missed on the women's drop. I also do want to apologize for the lack of content, whether it's going to OVO or all that, but Toronto's on shutdown, so we cannot go to any malls, and nothing is really open, so there's nowhere for me to really go. So I've really just been banging out the content here at home. So as you can see up on screen now, the hoodies were the first things to go. Surprisingly, we got the cream, the baby blue, the black still has a few in stock, and that crew neck as well. Very nice. Out of all the crew necks and hoodies, my favorite has to be that baby blue. Something about that just looks really, really good. So we got the matching pants to those as well. And not to mention, we got the mock neck and the bodysuit. I like how OVO kind of switched it up and went with something a little unique, a little different this time around for the women's collaboration. We got the t-shirts, pretty much full size running all of these. No one really wanted the t-shirts, but here is my favorite part of the women's drop is the shirts. Now, shirt and the pants, the pajama set. We need this for men, okay? We need a men's version, because if they did that, I would wear that shit every single day, every live stream. As soon as I go home, I'm wearing that shit all the time. So yo, OVO, we need a men's version. Those sold out really fast. And then we have the sleep mask and the headband. I did end up grabbing a sleep mask for my friend over there. But those are still in stock on the Canadian site as well, if you did want to grab those. Anyways, that's the women's drop. Let me know if you pick something up for your girl, or maybe if any girls watching, the 5% girls that watch my channel are watching, let me know what you picked up. But anyways, let's continue on with today's video. Alright guys, and it is the next day now, and I just got home, and look what was waiting for me at the door. We got a package coming in from OVO, and you guys saw by the title, you know what it is. Let's not waste any more time, let's hop straight into it. So as you guys know, the Santa owls did drop last week, Friday, and the red one was the first to sell out. The black was still in stock. I think they have like a larger or small still on the site. So if you do see this video and you do like it, definitely go pick it up. If they do decide to keep this limited to this year, 100% the price will go up on these next year when the holiday season comes around. But let's not waste any more time. As you guys can see, breaking open the box, the nice OVO monogram box, with none other than the red Santa OG Owl hoodie. So here it is guys, the red Santa OG Owl hoodie. I did end up getting the red and the black. So retail on the hoodie was only $168. I honestly thought it was going to be like $198, just like every other OG Owl hoodie. After tax and shipping, it did come out to $206. Definitely not cheap, but you gotta pay the price. So let's take it out of the plastic and get straight into it. Alright, so pulling the hoodie out for the very first time, getting my first reactions. Very, very nice quality of the 400 GSM. And take a look. The nice patch right here. Now the actual OG Owl hoodie size is a little smaller than what we're used to from the fully gold and like flag embroidered hoodies. This is a tiny bit smaller, not too sure why, but they went with that style for this hoodie. Now that probably does reflect in the price because again they're using less materials. But anyways, I love the fact that he's wearing the Santa hat. Honestly, when we saw the stickers last year, I was super upset they didn't throw it on a hoodie or a t-shirt. But we had to wait 365 days to get this right here, and I'm glad they did it with this material as well. Let me get close for you guys and show you all the details. Hopefully you guys can see that. Very, very nice. In my opinion, it is definitely worth the price. Honestly, do I regret picking up two? Maybe. I probably should have just went with the red one. But nonetheless, the graphic is sick, the design is sick, and I'm definitely going to be posting up a photo on my Instagram in this hoodie, maybe in front of a Christmas tree, something Christmassy. So definitely stay on the lookout for that. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Getting up close, you guys can see the tag medium, made in Canada. Love to see that. As well as the tag right here, red medium, and the owl on the front. Just like the OGL hoodies that we're used to, we do get the side seam pockets. I definitely do like these way more than the kangaroo pockets. I'm not sure what it is, but having it on the side, honestly, I feel like it looks better. You still get the functionality of the pockets, and the front of the hoodie looks way cleaner. So I'm gonna throw this on for you guys and let you know how it fits. Alright guys, so I just threw on the hoodie. I don't know why, I feel like it's coming off a little pink in this lighting, but in person it is true red. So remember, I'm 5'9", went with the size medium. Let me know what you guys think of the fit. It is a little slim up around the top of the body, but in my opinion fits me very nice and proper. If I went with the large, I feel like the sleeves would have been a little too long. But there it is, there's the medium. Definitely happy with this pickup right here. Definitely gonna be rocking this hoodie all winter as much as I can, get my use out of it. Because after the 25th, this hoodie's going in the closet. NOCTA guys, huge release December 18th. As you guys know, has been ads for this around Toronto, New York, LA, all the major cities in North America. And Nike and Drake are not playing. They are ready to drop this collection December 18th on NOCTA.com. So if you haven't already signed up your email on NOCTA.com, open up a new tab right now, sign up your email, and you'll be notified when the collection is ready. But as for prices guys, I heard the puffer is going to be around $400, the hoodie is going to be around $120, the pants $110. Pricing won't be too bad, but of course you guys know I'm going to have a video on all of that very soon. But I also did got scammed, so I'm going to be doing a story time video and show you guys what I actually got scammed for. It's a pretty funny video. I didn't tell many people about it, so I'm going to film that video and upload it within the next couple of weeks. Before I wrap up today's video, I want to thank everyone for supporting me. Everyone who said, yo, welcome back, good to have you back on Instagram as soon as we got the page. Also, I want to give a shout out to you know who. I ain't gonna name any names, you know who you are. I don't know if you're watching, but thank you so much for helping me get the page back. Appreciated by me and 35,000 people on the page as well. So with that being said, update season, we in full effect guys. Snapbacks, I know y'all been seeing me wear these for like months on months now. It's finally time. Stay tuned to the Instagram pages for the official release. All that good shit, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. We out. Peace.